Hello, my name is Kevin, and in this video, I will be covering the 2017 Denver hailstorm. On May 8th of 2017, this hailstorm occurred in Denver, Colorado, and Colorado is one of the most hail-prone states in the country. The highest frequency of damaging hail occurs near the border of Wyoming, Nebraska, and Colorado, right where Denver is located. The Colorado hail season is from April 15th to September 15th, and the hail came from severe storms in the metro area. Hailstones of 1 to 2 inch diameter occur many times in eastern Colorado each summer, but fortunately occur over small areas. Hailstones are not frozen rain. When thunderstorm updrafts are strong enough to carry water droplets well above the freezing level, the freezing processes form a hailstone, which can grow as additional water freezes onto it. Eventually, the hailstone becomes too heavy for the updrafts to support it, and it falls to the ground. The hailstorm disrupted everyday life in Colorado. As depicted in these pictures, baseball games were postponed, as well as houses were destroyed. This led to many insurance claims by Denver residents. These claims added up to an estimated $1.4 billion. Many of these claims were for houses and cars. The $1.4 billion does not include the businesses, as they had too much variety to calculate the claims. Denver residents had to keep an eye out to make sure they are not getting scammed by contractors when getting repairs for their houses. There were also many power outages across the city, and schools were closed for multiple days. This hailstorm mainly impacted regular, everyday citizens the most, especially the ones who did not have a garage to hold their car or those who still had wood shake roofs. There was a surge in driver requests through apps like Lyft and Uber due to the limitations on individual transportation.